about the 2022 Harley Davidson Pan America Special. This 1250cc motorcycle is designed for riders that are looking for power, tech, and capability all in one package. This machine has just about every piece of tech you can imagine, from semi-active front and rear suspension to heated grips up on the handlebars. One of the key features of this Pan America Special is the automatic load control that the bike has. It will raise and lower the suspension based on the speed and weight of the rider. This particular model comes with a full triple rack of hard cases, lace wheels, and is out the door for $21,626.70. If you want a motorcycle that can handle almost everything you can throw at it, come in and take a look for yourself. And here's a cold start on our 2022 Pan America Special.